OpenAI is working on a new ChatGPT tier called ChatGPT Pro Lite to fill the gap in subscription prices. Hey GadInsiders, welcome back to the channel. Set at roughly $100 per month, OpenAI may drop this version lying between the $20 a month ChatGPT Plus and the $200 a month ChatGPT Pro. This is a bridge for users who generally need more than Plus but won't pay for Pro. ChatGPT Pro Lite will join an already long list of options, including ChatGPT Free, Go, Plus, and Pro, while businesses have options for Team, Business, and Enterprise. For an average person, it's hard to justify a tenfold price increase if they're hitting the limits of ChatGPT Plus. A Pro Lite tier would finally create a middle ground for people working on demanding tasks like coding, research, and image and video generation. There are no details about what ChatGPT Pro Lite will offer, but it will be a lesser version of Pro with unlimited access to its most advanced tools with fast speed and high capacity. The Plus level has got rate limits and can slow down during peak hours. A Pro Lite will give you Pro's performance with capped usage or higher limits than Plus. A $100 plan could smooth out the friction and expand the usefulness of newer features. OpenAI now competes with the subscriptions offered by Google, Anthropic, and other AI developers. Anthropic's Claude Max is $100 per month, while Google Gemini cost depends on how much Google products you purchase. A $100 tier would also manage OpenAI's soaring costs, as training it could be extraordinarily expensive and higher usage creates load. A mid-price tier will handle those heavier workloads and could generate revenue as well. With all this, ChatGPT Pro Lite can be a prompt for how AI companies balance services and pricing. For more tech updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.